raise your emotional intelligence in less than 5 minutes? There's a surprising improv trick that does exactly that.
Most of the time in life, we try to keep our emotions under control. But in improv, emotions are the fuel that powers the scene. Today, we're going to play a game that proves just that. It's called Emotions. Take it away, Jeff 2.0.
Here's how it works. The host, acting as the director, starts by getting inspiration for a scene. That could be a location, a relationship, or even just an object. Then comes the twist. The host pulls out a piece of paper and asks the audience to shout out emotions. Usually, they'll collect opposites: joy and sadness, anger and calm, excitement and boredom, just to keep things interesting. Two actors begin a normal scene. Once the scene is rolling, the director will either ring a bell or shout "freeze" and then call out one of the emotions. The funny part? The situation doesn't change. Only the character's emotions do. So maybe they start calmly ordering coffee, then suddenly they're furious about it. Or maybe two coworkers are bored at the office and then instantly overjoyed about staplers. The actors have to justify each emotional shift in the moment, which leads to hilarity.
Okay, so we know improv makes us laugh, but how does switching emotions on command make us smarter about our own feelings?
This game does more than make us laugh. It helps us connect to our own emotions and teaches us to respond truthfully in the moment. In fact, it's a playful way to raise our emotional intelligence, our EQ, because we learn how different feelings shift our choices and our relationships.
That's Emotions. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a spark of creativity. And remember, in improv and in life, emotions aren't obstacles, they're opportunities.
Curtains rise, the game's in play. Ideas spark in a brand new way. Voices dance and the story spin. Let the fun begin, let the fun begin. Ba-da-ba, snap, the snare's just right. Improv magic in the spotlight. Ba-da-ba, feel that rhythm flow. Baby, welcome to the Genius Show. Every laugh is a brand new choice. Every turn finds a brand new voice. Step on stage and the moment's free. Unscripted living's the place to be. Ba-da-ba, snap, the snare's just right. Improv magic in the spotlight. Ba-da-ba, feel that rhythm flow. Baby, welcome to the Genius Show. Ba-da-ba, let's go. Yes, and always steals the show.